Hey, what's up, my beautiful solo adventurers? Welcome back to another chaotic, slightly unhinged episode of me trying to make sense of the world. So the other day, yeah, someone asked me, "Hey, can you make a video about how to meet people while solo traveling?" And I thought, you know what, that's actually a great idea. Let's do that. So here we are. Let's get into it. Now, let's set the record straight, guys. People always assume solo travel means you're lonely, wandering through the cities like some sad lost puppy begging for little old ladies. Now, let's set the record straight, guys. People always assume solo travel means you're lonely, wandering through cities like some sad lost puppy begging little old ladies to have conversations with you. But no, I mean, solo travel is where it's at. Honestly, I meet more people when I solo travel than when I'm traveling like with friends, and I usually have some cooler experiences too. Without a buddy to lean on, you're really pushed in all these wild, unexpected situations that might not have happened otherwise. And trust me, your comfort zone is going to be tested, but with a little bravery, the rewards will be so massive. And remember, being alone is a choice. If there are humans around, you're not stuck being alone. You're just choosing not to talk to them. But don't worry, I'll give you the cheat codes. Before we dive in, though, basic human conversations are required. No tongue click noises or chest beating here, please. Words only. All right, let's go. Hostels are still king. Listen, hostels haven't gone out of style, and they're not just for broke college students anymore. Think of them as like the OG social network. Hotels are fine if you like overpriced room service and talking to yourself in your big fancy mirror. But hostels, that's where you'll find your future travel besties and adventures that you will never forget. But we're in 2025 now, so it's not just about sitting in the common room hoping someone talks to you. You can use hostel apps like Hostel World's Connect feature. It lets you see who's staying in the same hostel and stalk them before you even check in. Message your next adventure buddy without the awkward dating app vibes. And yeah, definitely don't skip out on the hostel events, pub crawls, cooking classes, rooftop yoga, whatever it is, just show up and give it a chance. And even if you suck at yoga like me, you'll at least have someone to laugh with when you fall over. Couchsurfing is back with a twist, though. Couchsurfing isn't just about free places to crash, it's evolved over the years. In 2025, there's Hangouts 2.0, where you can post that you're looking to grab a coffee, hit up a museum, or just wander around aimlessly. It's kind of like Tinder for friends, but way less weird. And if you're feeling bold, host your own little meetup. Say something like, "Hey, I'm in whatever city, let's get some tacos." You'd be surprised how many people will show up because who says no to tacos? It's somebody who doesn't like tacos is not somebody you want to be friends with anyways. Social media, your ultimate travel wingman. Okay, this is where it gets juicy though. Instagram is still a powerful tool, but now you've got Be Real and Threads to play with. Post your Be Real while you're out exploring and see who's nearby. Or hop on Threads and join travel convos in the area. You'll find fellow adventurers in no time if you just give it a chance and put yourself out there. Oh yeah, and of course TikTok. Yeah, it's not just for girls dancing and setting thirst traps. It's also gold for meeting people. Drop a location tag, post a quick who's in X city right now and wants to hit up the best coffee spot video, and boom, you've got people sliding your DMs faster than you can handle. Bumble isn't just for awkward first dates anymore, thank God. Bumble BFF is a great place to try these days. You can swipe on potential friends in your area, and it's surprisingly not as creepy as it sounds. Plus, apps like Friender or Tandem for language exchanges are great if you want to meet locals and practice your rusty Spanish or whatever language. And yeah, Tinder's still a thing. Just manage your expectations. You might meet the love of your life or some rando that wants to follow you home, or you might just find someone to split a pizza with. Either way, it's worth a shot. Give it a try. Free walking tours with a tech upgrade. Walking tours are honestly still the goat, but now they're tech savvy. Apps like Guru Walk let you find free tours with local guides who actually know their stuff, and they usually attract fellow travelers who are just as eager to meet people. Pro tip, after the tour, suggest grabbing a coffee or a drink with your fellow walkers and just see where that takes you. AI travel buddies and virtual meetups. It's 2025, and yeah, AI is pretty much part of everything now. Apps like Travello and Tandem GPT, yeah, that's a thing. Can match you with people based on your travel style. Want someone who also thinks hiking is torture but loves food tours? There's a match for that. And virtual meetups aren't just for remote workers anymore. Platforms like Nomad List host digital happy hours where you can meet people online before you even get to the city. At the end of the day, nothing beats good old fashioned human interaction. See someone looking lost in a museum? Offer to help. Spot another solo traveler at a cafe? Compliment their clothes or just go and say hello and see where they're from. Here are some updated 2025 combo starters. So, what's the best thing you've done here so far? Have you tried that viral TikTok food spot around here? Is it just me or was that motorcycle tour guide trying to kill us? Trust me, people are still friendly, even in the age of hologram guides and drone delivered coffees. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated guide to meeting people while solo traveling in 2025. It's easier than ever. You just got to put yourself out there. It'll be worth the effort. I promise. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. Give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with your latest solo travel story. Got any other tips? Let's hear them. And as always, if there's a topic you want me to cover, just slide into the comments or my DMs. Until next time.